Hey guys, AJ at HOGWORKZ. Today I have for you the fairing spoiler kit for your 17 to 24 Road Glide. It is constructed of high-strength ABS plastic. It is precision injected molded for an exact fit onto your factory hardware, and you will need your factory engine guard to use this kit. We offer this in over 100 color-matched options. Leave a like and subscribe, and let's get to the install. All right guys, so we're gonna remove the outer fairing. If you need help doing that, there's gonna be a link in the description below, so go check that out. And the video will show you how to remove your outer fairing. All right, first off guys, we're gonna remove our factory oil cooler cover. This is just gonna pop off. We're gonna take the bottom piece that comes in the kit and pop that on. And you're gonna just pop it into these rubber mounts here. There's one, two, and that'll just sit there till we get the side pieces on. All right guys, so next thing we're gonna do is take our brackets here. We're gonna make sure we got the orientation correct on the bracket. So you want them like that. This is gonna be on the right-hand side here. We're gonna go right in behind this bracket here. We're gonna mount it to these bottom brackets right here. We're going to do our left-hand side here. So now we're going to take our 3/16 Allen. We're going to go ahead and tighten these down. All right guys, so the first thing we're going to do is take our nut clip here. This being the front of the bike, so your front wheel is going to be over here. We're going to take the nut clip and slide it on with the nut facing the rear, just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and install this on our lower oil cooler cover first. So we have little clips here, tabs, I should say, that will line up when you put this on. So you want to line those tabs up and it'll slide right into place. And then come up top here and slide this into place like that. We're going to install our silver Allen with a washer first, down here on the bottom. Tighten that down. And then we're going to put our black Allen in bolt here on this front tab. Get that started. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side. Bolt started. Tighten that up. All right guys, since we don't need the fairing to put the top mount bolt in, we're gonna go ahead and put in this Allen here with our 1/8 Allen. Okay, now we'll tighten up our front mount bolt here. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing on this side, our top mount screw here. Now we're gonna take our clip here, put it over our engine guard. Give it a nice squeeze. We're going to line that up with our mount point right here. Get that started and go ahead and tighten that down with our 3/16 Allen. Okay, once we get that tight, move to the other side. Now that you got your fairing spoiler kit on, we're gonna go ahead and button everything up, starting with putting the fairing on first. All right guys, now that we got our fairing spoiler kit installed and we got our front fairing put on, that concludes the install of our fairing spoiler kit. Go check it out, hogworks.com.